Good morning, garden friends. My corn on deck is looking good. My okra are looking good. I missed this eggplant here. Let's see, eggplant here. I have flowers in my peas. My black-eyed peas have flowers. Ladybugs are still here working, making babies still. I don't know what these orange bugs are. Are they a friend or a foe? Do they eat bugs, bad bugs also? The cantaloupes are loaded with flowers. My cucumber is getting the cucumber wilt. Oh, and they are turning yellow very quickly. And this large eggplant. And I think I have oh my god, this was doing fine yesterday and look at it now. It's all wilted. I sprayed it with Captain Jack yesterday and gave it a trim. It was looking good. And this is what happened. It only takes a day for everything to completely be taken over by the bugs. But I'm gonna pick the cucumbers and spray cap and cut these wilted leaves off and spray Captain Jack and see if I can save whatever I can from this zucchini. Wish me luck in the garden. And how is your garden growing? The bees are very busy. I hate to interrupt them when they're at work. I don't want them to confuse me with a predator or prey. God bless you and thank you for watching. Goodbye.